YouTube? This your boy, J Diggy 92. Nigga, I did legs today. Niggas is maxing out on the leg press, but nigga, my shits is on jello mode. And my arms is sore from Monday, nigga. It's all bad. It's all bad. But got his ass. Fucking gnats. But nah, man. So today, as y'all can see, excuse that part, we got an unboxing, and this one is coming from the long time homie that hasn't made an appearance on this damn channel in a very, very, very long time, because their prices be higher than the other homies. We talking about the homies over at GOAT, man. We finally got another package from GOAT, and yeah, first off, I have to say this. If I dog a shoe, that's my opinion when I first see it. It's always first thoughts, nigga. First thoughts. Later on, they become second and third thoughts, nigga. So if I switch up and say I like a shoe, it ain't that, oh nigga, I thought you dogged this on out, you ain't fuck with it in the beginning, don't fuck with it now. Nigga, that's stupid, because it's my first thoughts and opinions. It ain't first thoughts and opinions when I see them on feet, looked at more colorways and all this other shit. So, I'm saying all that to say this. I don't remember what I said about this shoe. I already know what it is. Of course I know what it is. I bought the shit. But, I don't remember what I said about it. I don't remember if I liked it. I don't remember if I said it was ugly. I don't remember if I said I had no opinion. I don't fucking know. But we gonna do this. I copped this junk because I kind of needed it for something, and I found the backup for what I needed this for, kind of, but I'm gonna still rock with it. And I want this shoe anyway, so either way it's a win-win-win-win. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna stop rapping. We gonna get to this unboxing. Shout out to the homies at GOAT. And yeah, hopefully I got the right size, because I didn't know what size to get, and I kind of just went with what I seen on the internet and the reviews people was giving. So hopefully I did the right thing. So today we got, shout out to the homies at GOAT too for supplying big ass boxes, nigga. I get so tired of StockX and them tight ass boxes, nigga. It's the only thing I hate about StockX. Like, I be needing to resell shoes and I be using the boxes and shit, but I can't because they be making these boxes so goddamn tight. Like, you be pulling them damn for rails out, nigga. That shit was damn near impossible. But that's just my little rant. But as y'all can see, we got an Adidas box. Now, I'm gonna pull this shoe out, and I ain't gonna hold you. I am like mad fucking nervous, because usually I wear 12 in Adidas products, but like I said, I don't own this model, so I didn't know what to do. And the reviews were saying these are cut big, so I went down half a size. Hopefully I didn't make the biggest mistake of my life. So we got a size 11.5 in Adidas. Let's just open this up and see what we got. First off, we gotta pull out the GOAT card. Shout out to my nigga, my nigga M over there authenticating and shit. Shout out to you, M. So yeah, the moment we all been waiting for, the big reveal. And today I'm unboxing the young one in chalk white. God damn, who was trying this motherfucker on? What the fuck? Nigga, this junk flat as hell in the front. I ain't gonna hold you, it's like something on the toe box on the low. Like on the low, it looked like, but it looked like feathers, like the print from the shoe got on, like the red print got on some of the white aspects. I ain't really tripping though. I ain't gonna hold you right now. I'm getting a little nervous because these shits look a little small, my nigga. But we gonna try these on and I'll be able to tell y'all they look a little small. That's all I'm gonna say. So hopefully I didn't fuck up. You know what? I ain't even waiting to the end of this shit. We gonna try these bitches on right now, and I'm gonna come back and tell y'all if I fucked up. Because if I fucked up, these are going back because they got something on it anyway. So either way, it's a win. So yeah, man, I'll be right back. Alright, so we back, and after trying these jumps on, I'm straight, I'm good. It's just they looked a little small in my hands, but right now my feet, I ain't gonna hold you, they're a little like, I ain't gonna say swollen, but it's like, after the gym my feet get, I ain't gonna say fucked up, but if I'm wearing like the wrong shoes on the wrong day, like today was damn, what's that shit, leg day? Nigga. I'm never wearing NMDs on leg day again. That shit was crucial. But yeah, we straight. So yeah, we got the young one in chalk white. That's the official name for these. And all that other good stuff. Just right off breaks in hand. These jumps really got nice materials. I really fuck with it. And I really wanted these. I was gonna go for the Goku looking jumps, but that's a lot of damn orange, my G, and I ain't really vibing with it. So I went ahead and got this colorway. Usually I don't get a chance to get original colorways like right off break or like right off jump. Like I'm always like late getting like a colorway of an original shoe. So I kind of count this as an original shoe, but not so much because the orange ones probably are too, so I'm still late as fuck when it comes to getting a new model. But it is what it is. It's all good at the end of the day. But yeah, man, this is the only thing that's bothering me is like, it's like red speckles on this like fabric, which is fucking with me. But I'm pretty sure it's because of this red. Like this shit, like I don't know, I think this is like suede. Yeah, it look like suede, and it's a really good suede, but like I feel like this red has hella dye in it, so I would never wear these shits in the rain or anything that's not like completely dry as fuck outside, because I feel like this shoe will bleed like a motherfucker. Like it's already bleeding on here on like the netting and shit. So I really wouldn't recommend it. Like these jumps are dead stock. Like I can see, like these are clearly dead stock. Like the tread is still perfect and all that shit. It's just probably like a factory flaw or something. And like it just looked like feathers. So I'm pretty sure I can get this out with like I said feathers, like just speckles. So I'm pretty sure like if I get a lint brush, I'll be straight. But my biggest concern was seeing like if I could actually fit them. So y'all know I'll get more into the fit on the official review. It's just for this unboxing, I just had to try them shits on just to make sure I was straight, because if not, I wasn't going to even do the review or even put this I was gonna put this unboxing out, but I wasn't gonna do like an on feed or nothing, because then I wouldn't have been able to send them back. So these are straight. Y'all will get an official review. Y'all will get an on feet and everything else. Just luckily I was able to try like these on and I could send them back if not, because with StockX like you can send them back, but like once you cut the tag you kind of fuck. Like with GOAT, like it's different. Let me see. I'm actually gonna read this shit if they got it. I think with GOAT you can send them back whenever, as long as like they still dead stock, and then like you ain't been walking outside. Carpet is cool, but as long as you ain't been like, fuck, I'm tired a little bit. As long as you ain't been like walking outside, then you straight. I'm gonna read it off though just to make sure. Alright, so yeah, I just looked it up, and GOAT is finessing on the return game. That's kind of ass. They was like, we can offer you a refund of less than, like, subtracting the shipping cost. Like, that shit was stupid because they tried to say shipping cost was, they tried to say to ship these bitches was $53 damn. Nigga, who did y'all go to? Like, real shit, who are y'all fucking with that y'all paying $50 to ship a pair of shoes? My G, I see if I was like in like Canada or something. Nigga, y'all warehouses is. Where the fuck is y'all warehouse? In Cali, nigga. Nigga, I can ship for $50. We gonna talk about this because this is probably my last time fucking with GOAT. Because I like GOAT is cool, but that shit kinda pissed me off. So we gonna talk about it. To ship that big ass crit painting, my big crit painting was like, what was it? Like, I think that shit was like 20 by 22 or some shit. Like, I forget the measurements of it, right? That shit is big as fuck. It's $50 to ship that shit to Cali, right? And that's because it's big as fuck. My guy, what the fuck? This should cost no more than $20 to ship. Like, maybe it's because these niggas using FedEx or something. Like, nigga, USPS, that shit would be like $12. Like, the fuck is y'all? So it's just that shit right there I don't like. So they was just like, the shipping cost minus what you paid would be how much you got refunded, which is, it's not bad, but you know what, it is bad. Like, that shit, that's ass, GOAT. Like, what is y'all doing? Like, so I'm gonna keep 100. This is probably the very last time I buy some shit off GOAT, unless it's like a used shoe. And yeah, because that's bullshit. Because how y'all gonna finesse niggas like that? Like, that's not cool. Like, say this shit really didn't fit my foot. Like, I would be fucked because GOAT would try to finesse my ass and not give me all my money back when it just doesn't fit. Like, StockX would take the damn shoe back as long as the tag's on there. Like, let me see. I'm gonna go buy StockX because we really about to talk about this shit now. I might make a separate video for this shit because I was wondering why a lot of people was fucking with StockX over GOAT, and it kind of makes sense now why they do. Because you try to return some shit, you fucked, because they gonna try to finesse your ass to get the fucking return. Well, shit, that shit is ass too. They saying they don't even take return. So either way, you fucked. Like, you just gotta really do homework and shit. Like, I'm glad I really did homework. I mean, I couldn't do a size 12 in these because, like, my toe is like right at the tip. But I'll get more into it in the review because this is really just an unboxing. I'm not trying to do all that, but I don't know. I think I'm done with GOAT just by hearing that shit. Like, them niggas is really finessing the fuck out of niggas. And then to ship this back, I probably would have had to pay out of my pocket too. So, like, I'm paying more to ship. Like, I'm taking an L because I'm getting less money back. then I'm paying to give these back. Like, that's bullshit. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all up out of here. That shit kind of got me tight. So really, probably what I'm about to do is just fuck with StockX, period, because this is like ass. Like, that shit is buns. Like, I don't fuck with it. Especially these niggas trying to finesse niggas. Like, I don't like that. Like, that's not cool. Like, you don't finesse your customers. But I guess it is what it is. Just gotta be wary of who you fuck with in the sneaker game. But yeah, I'm rapping because I'm kind of pissed, but it is what it is. Thank y'all for watching. This is another episode of Finesse Kicks, unboxing the young ones in the white chalk colorway. I don't know why they call it white chalk, but it's like the America colorway, Captain America head ass. But yeah, this has been the unboxing for the young ones. Y'all heard my first thoughts and opinions on it. Review will be out this Saturday. So if you seeing this, whenever you seeing this, if you seeing this when it dropped on a Monday, or you seeing this in the future, the vid is out on Saturday. If the unboxing comes out Monday for that particular shoe, the review and on feet for that shoe will be up that Saturday. So I know I've been putting out more shit constantly, and that's just because I've been having a lot of pickups for shit I want. But it's probably, sorry, I'm fucking tired. It's probably gonna slow down again because I'm not really seeing nothing, especially after getting them Witherspoons and shit. Really ain't nothing on the market for me no more because I don't really want anything else. And I know I haven't been copping Jordans like that, but I'm tired of fucking J's. Like, I'm tired of wearing the same shit, the same numbers that everybody else got. Fuck that shit. I want some different in them motherfuckers. Like, fuck. But yeah, I'm rapping like shit. I'm sorry, my bad. But yeah. Oh, I was doing the outro. Share this video with your friends, your homies, your squad, your gang. And then tell them to sub to the channel. If you haven't subbed already, what are you doing? Because you're missing out on the best squad on YouTube. That's the God Squad. Best squad on YouTube, hands down. All the members agree, nigga. I hope y'all agree. Best squad on YouTube. Like we always say, konnichiwa, motherfucker. All that good shit. Hit that thumbs up and like. And if you want to follow me on anything, I'm fucking my outro up. Goat got me blown, my nigga. Triggered. But yeah, if you want to follow me on anything, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that. JDiggy92. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Shout out to the art page, Finesse God Masterpieces. Go copy out some dope ass art. And yeah, man, I'm gonna get y'all up out of here. I'm your boy JDiggy92, the Finesse God in this bitch. Like I always say, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all when I see y'all.